Hey Leo, what's up? My god, my throat was fine till now. What's up? This is going to be a reading for Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Let's have a look at what's going on in your love life from now until the end of December 2021. This is for Leo. Let's see what's going on in your love life, Leo. Sorry. Leo. What's going on in your love life, Leo, for the remaining days of December 2021? All right. Let's do this. Overall energy. Ooh, the Magician. Okay. What happened in the past? What is the current situation? What is on this person's mind? How do they view you or the connection? Okay. How does this person feel deep down for you? How do they want to move forward with you? What's going on behind the scenes? What's your advice, Leo? Oh, nice. And what's the outcome? Okay. All right, Leo. Okay, Leo. So right now it does look like it could be you or it could be them out here. Someone in the overall energy with the Magician here is manifesting something. Okay, what's the Magician? Let's see. What's the Magician? Could be someone here who's manifesting a new opportunity with you. Yep, someone out here is probably, okay, I'm getting two scenarios here. Either there is someone out here who is probably choosing to cut ties. You could be choosing to cut ties with your twin flame, okay, or a connection that is very, very strong. Or there is someone out here who's trying to manifest a new opportunity with you, trying to balance the situation out between you and them because they feel a very strong connection to you, you know, like a soulmate connection, emotionally, physically, spiritually, mentally, they feel very connected to you, okay, and they just can't get you out of their head. Now in the past here, what's the Six of Wands? I feel you moved on. What's the Six of Wands out here? It could have been difficult. Yeah, you were holding back from someone out here. There could be a third party situation for a few of you. You chose to move on from someone out here, okay, by taming your feelings for this person, you know, but in a very subtle way is what I'm feeling. Using your inner strength, you just chose to walk away from this person out here because it was just not working out. Okay, it was a struggle out here. This person probably refused to give you the public recognition that you wanted. Maybe they didn't commit to you, or maybe they was just an attention seeker and you realized that and you were just like, you know what, I can't take this anymore. And it did take a lot of strength, okay, to walk away from this person, but you were successful and you did it, okay. So there was a breakup in the past. Current situation, we have the Page of Wands. What's the Page of Wands? Yeah, someone out here is wanting to probably communicate with you, okay. You could even be trying to look at other options out here and trying to move away from this person. If there is someone at a long distance out here, this person wants to travel towards you, okay, and they're thinking, okay, planning of reaching out to you, okay. For the others of you, and maybe this person is married. I'm getting for a few of you, this person could already be in a commitment or already be in a marriage, which could be stopping them from coming towards you, okay, which is why they keep it so lighthearted all the time instead of coming towards you with a lot of seriousness, because they know they're already jammed somewhere else and they can't give you what you want right now. For the others of you, I feel you could be waiting on communication from this person, okay, or you could just be moving forward, okay, just moving away from this person out here because things are just not working out, okay. Seven of Swords is what is on this person's mind. Sneaky, huh? What's the Seven of Swords? Why is this on this person's mind? This person out here, okay, for a lot of you, I feel that this person out here does not know how you feel. They could even feel that you are probably cheating on them, or they could feel that they don't know how you feel right now. They feel there's a lot going on behind the scenes and they're keeping their intentions hidden. The intentions are to come towards you, but they're not saying it. They're keeping everything under wraps, okay. So they're like in stealth mode right now, okay, and they're trying to figure out a lot. They're trying to trust their intuition, but everything's in the dark. And it could be that this person here is seeing what they want to see rather than seeing the reality. Okay, maybe in the reality things are not as bad as it seems. Okay, but maybe because you're not talking to them, maybe there's no communication, they probably feel you've moved on, or they probably feel that they just don't know where the situation is headed. Okay, but their own fears are stopping them from coming towards you, you know, like in a more bold manner. This person is someone here who runs from emotional vulnerability, is also what I'm hearing. Wheel of Fortune, that's how they see you. So they see you as someone fated and destined in their life. Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, and they see you as very, very hardworking. Okay, maybe this person knows that if they want to be with you, they gotta level up. Okay, this person's got to level up, and they also see you as someone, you know, who probably is somewhere superior to them. Okay, someone who's just mastered their art. Okay, and you're like a pro at this relationship with them, and you know everything about them, and if they want to be in this relationship with you, they know that they got to give it their all. Okay, just small tits and bits and pieces and breadcrumbing is not going to work. They know they got to give it their all, and you are in their life because of fate, destiny, luck. Okay, but you are giving them the silent treatment. You are. This you is very beautiful, probably even psychic. For a few of you, this person could see you as very psychic. Okay, maybe you're a tarot reader too, or just doing some light work. What's the Seven of Cups? In their emotions, they're pretty confused. Now, what's happening here is that this person, because they're not sure about what's happening, right, all they feel they can do is just daydream about you. Okay, so there's a lot of fantasy land, there's a lot of fantasizing, there's a lot of Disney fairy tale happening in their head out here, a lot of daydreaming out here, but there is no reality check that this person has as yet. What's the Seven of Cups? What's the Seven of Cups? Yeah, see, they just feel it's better. They just feel it's better to dream about you and not let you know, but in their exterior, they want to show you that they're very, very cold and very logical. Okay, so they know deep down here that if they want to come towards you, they got to make that choice. They got to choose, they got to narrow down their options, and they got to make that, they got to take that they got to initiate action. Okay, if I want Leo, I got to make this happen. But right now, they're just choosing to stay more logical, like, oh, right, oh, well, never mind, you know, like maybe that wasn't meant to work out, blah, blah, blah. Okay, and all this is stemming because of the moon out here. Okay, because they're so scared, and there's fear, there's anxiety, and it is their own negative thoughts. Okay, they're too scared, and they don't even know what's even going on in the reality. They're just trying to, you know, like how they say, you know, like shooting arrows in the dark. Maybe it's this, maybe it's that, maybe it won't work out, you know, something like that. But it's their own negative thoughts that's stopping them. They don't even have clarity, which is why they're constantly being sneaky. Okay, a high priestess is how they want to move forward with you. So right now they want to wait for the situation to play out a little more. What's the high priestess? They want to trust their intuition and their gut feeling here. Okay, see, for some of you, I'm feeling either this person is already married. Okay, so this could be a secret marriage. They could be already married, and that's something that you don't know about. For the others of you, this person here is secretly wanting to marry you. Okay, and they want to rush in. Okay, so just take it how it resonates out here. But it's, right now they want to keep it under wraps, and probably what they want to keep hidden is that they want to get married to you, or they already are married, which is stopping them from coming towards you. Take it how it resonates out here. Okay, what's going on behind the scenes is the Knight of Wands. Why is that here? So yeah, they want to rush in with the Knight of Wands here. What's the Knight of Wands? Again, that same non-committal energy out here, but the passion is very, very high. What's the Knight of Wands? Clarify the Knight of Wands. See, even if they want to rush in, right, there is this huge defense mechanism that they have out here. Okay, that's a huge defense mechanism out here with the King of Swords here. You know, they're constant. Just 1 second. Yeah, so this person here has a huge defense mechanism going on. Okay, and they would want to come in. Okay, they would want to come in like right now, but the thing is that they're trying to hold their impulses back. You know, they're trying not to make impulsive moves towards you again because of fear, because they have that defense mechanism on. They want to protect themselves, okay? They don't want to be vulnerable out here. Maybe in the past they have been hurt, okay? And now they've learned with experience that it's better not to make decisions because of their emotions, okay? So now they don't want to be vulnerable. That's why they're coming off as so icy and detached out here, okay? So if you think that this person does not give a shit to you, they've forgotten about you, bullshit. Okay, they're daydreaming about you, like daydreaming in broad daylight. They think about you, what they want to do with you, how they want to be with you. They want to marry you, but it's their cold exterior. Okay, they don't want to come off like that, but that's just how they are. Okay. Now, like I said, this person here is trying their best to resist the urge to come towards you. Okay, what's the Tower here? Your advice is to, you know, shock the shit out of this person and just move forward. Take a drastic decision out here. You need to break the pattern, and to break the pattern you will have to do something very drastic. What's the Tower here as advice? Yeah, you need to make a choice. You need to make a different choice out here, and probably you choose to end the chapter with this person out here. I feel for a lot of you Leos, you probably are not making a decision. You're at a crossroads. What if this person comes back? What if I move on and the person then comes back? Well, if they come back, then they'll catch up. They'll catch up, Leo. They'll catch up. If they are meant to be, they will catch up. No matter how far you are, you can be at the end of the world out here, okay? But if this person is meant to be, they will come back and they will come towards you and they will catch up, okay? They will be on the same level with you. And a lot of times you can stick here, sit on the fence and not make a decision, and the person is right there in front of you and they will still not make a move out here. That's just how it works, okay? So your advice is to make that drastic decision and just completely shake this person to the core and surprise this person and move on. Make another decision, make a different decision that you haven't been making and because you've been holding it back. Four of Swords here is the outcome, which means there are chances there is still going to be no communication from this person. I told you, right? They're blocking it. They're too defensive. They're trying to protect themselves. What's the Four of Swords? See? So yeah, there are chances here that this person here may want to communicate with you, okay, but probably there are chances that you will just, there's radio silence. There is no response from your side. You're going to remain unresponsive to this person's communication that comes in. Yeah, they're coming in, but there are chances you will still remain unresponsive, okay. For a lot of you, you may just walk out. For a lot of you, you may just choose to, see with the Page of Wands and Chariot here, right? That's what I said in the current situation. I think you're continuing your journey without this person, moving away from this person here, probably exploring your options, you know, in that light-hearted, free-spirited energy where, you know, you'd like to explore, you're in that risk, adventurous mood, okay, you want to know people, you're meeting new people here, whatever it is, right? I think that's what you're doing here. Maybe you're just choosing to stay away from this connection, choosing to stay closed off to this person out here and just wanting to find something new, okay? Trying to reignite the spark in your life and probably meet someone who's better out there. But yeah, that's what's happening. So I hope this reading resonates out here and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.